Hey YouTube, this is William's Walkthroughs, and welcome to my 5th video on this channel. If you have any questions, suggestions, or feedback regarding the content that I have addressed or will address, feel free to put it in the comments section below, and I will do my best to respond as soon as possible. Today, I will be going over how to implement footage involving green screens into your videos. Now, without further ado, let's get started. First, make sure that the sequence settings are correctly set up in this Adobe Premiere project file by navigating to Sequence and then Sequence Settings. After you click on Sequence Settings, set the time base to 60 frames per second, the frame size to 1920, and the horizontal to 1080, like I have done here. Afterwards, click OK and drag in the clip with the green screen into the timeline. Next, go to the Effects tab that may not be exactly where it is for me and type in Crop. Please note that the next few steps on how to use the crop effect is only if you have edges that need to be cropped to only leave the subject of the green screen in the same green color, as any difference in background color can mess up the green screen effect. If you do not have an Effects tab on your screen, go to Window and make sure there is a check next to Effect Controls and Effects. Drag the effect named Crop onto the video clip where the selected green screen is present. After the crop effect is inserted into the chosen green screen clip, navigate to the Effect Controls tab and scroll down until you see the crop down menus. From here, adjust the left, top, right, and bottom percentages accordingly to remove all the variations in color from the green screen. Next, type Ultra key into the search bar in the Effects tab and drag the effect into the chosen green screen clip that is present in the timeline. In the Effect Controls tab under the Ultra key section, change the output to Alpha Channel and click on the icon next to the black rectangle underneath. Click on where the green is present in the preview window. Afterwards, expand the drop-down for Matte Cleanup in the Effect Controls tab and increase the contrast and midpoint to 100. Drag in the photo or video file that you want to be the background of the video into the timeline. Make any needed adjustments to the layers and trim the edges of both files in the timeline to your liking. Do note that I will not show me fixing the resolution of the clip here to save time. Nevertheless, you should now have successfully used a green screen. That will do it for today's video, where we went over how to use green screens in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you have made it this far, please consider liking this video, subscribing to this channel, and feel free to comment any feedback, suggestions, and questions that you have for me regarding my content on this channel. I will do my best to respond to everyone as soon as possible. My name is Williams Walkthroughs, and it has been a pleasure creating this video for you. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials like this.